Lecture 8. Sets. A set is an unordered collection of unique elements. It does not allow duplicates and is mutable. Key properties. Unordered, the elements do not have a specific order. Mutable, you can add or remove elements after creation. Unique elements, sets do not allow duplicate values. No indexing, elements cannot be accessed by index. Creating a set. Sets can be created using curly braces, or the set function. A set can be created directly using curly braces, containing unique elements separated by commas. Syntax: set underscore name equals element 1, element 2. Set creation using the set function. A set can be created using the set constructor, which takes an iterable, for example, a list, tuple, or string, and converts it into a set of unique elements. Syntax: set underscore name equals set iterable. Accessing set elements. Sets are unordered, so you cannot access elements by index. Since sets are unordered, you cannot access elements by index. However, you can iterate through a set using a loop. We will study about for loop in upcoming lectures, so don't worry about it. Adding and removing elements. You can add elements using add and remove them using remove or discard. You can add elements to a set using the add method and remove them using remove or discard. Add adds a single element to the set. If the element already exists, it does nothing. Syntax: set underscore name dot add element. Remove removes the specified element from the set. If the element is not found, it raises a key error. Syntax: set underscore name dot remove element. Discard removes the specified element from the set. If the element is not found, it does not raise an error. Syntax: set underscore name dot discard element. Set operations. Sets support mathematical operations like union, intersection, difference, and symmetric difference. Sets are ideal for performing mathematical operations like union, intersection, difference, and symmetric difference. These operations are performed using operators like vertical bar, and, minus, and hat respectively. Union combines all unique elements from two or more sets into a new set. Syntax: set 1 dot union set 2 or set 1, set 2. Intersection returns a new set containing only the elements that are common to all sets. Syntax: set 1 dot intersection set 2 or set 1 and set 2. Difference returns a new set containing elements that are in the first set but not in the second. Syntax: set1 dot difference set2 or set1, set2. Symmetric difference returns a new set containing elements that are in either set, but not in both, i.e., exclusive elements. Syntax: set1 dot symmetric underscore difference set2 or set1 hat set2. Task: create a set with some numbers and perform the following tasks. Add a new number to the set. Remove a number from the set. Check if a specific number exists in the set. Perform the union of the set with another set. Find the intersection with another set. Display all unique numbers in the set. See you in the next video. Stay tuned and don't forget to like and share this video.